Hello friends, this is Apurva and welcome to my channel Apurva Art Studio. Today I thought let's try something new. Instead of painting the same kind of picture every day. Here I have a simple clay pot. I'm going to give it a beautiful new look. First I will rub it with a sandpaper to make the surface as smooth as possible. For painting, I'm using enamel paint. We usually use this paint for iron grills. I painted it once, let it dry and then give it a second coat. That way we don't need a primer. Now I will draw some design with a dark color. At first, I could not decide what to draw. So many ideas were come to my mind. Finally, I decided to try something inspired by Indian folk art, Kalighat painting. Kalighat painting started near the Kalighat temple in Kolkata in 19th century. It has bold outlines, flat colors and simple backgrounds. The artists who used to make these rural scroll paintings were called potuas. I'm sure many of you know the famous Kalighat painting of a cat with a fish in its mouth. That painting is one of my favorites, so I tried to make my own vision of it. To make straight lines, I'm using a flat brush. And after the painting is done, I will put a coat of varnish with a big flat brush. This will make the colors last longer. So, how does the pot look? I really enjoyed doing this work. Please like the video and leave a comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts and ideas. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you friends. Take care. Bye bye.